Hi guys, nice to meet you. Tips: how to learn English quickly. Number 1. Study for 15 minutes a day. Learn English 15 minutes every day is better than 5 hours in 1 month. It relates with the principle of 1% growth every day. Why 1%? Because 1% is achievable and easy to be done. So the key just consistently. If we do it 1% every day, it will accumulate to the great amount of learning process. So it creates the learning habit every day. Number 2. Get a vocabulary notebook. Notebook here is not only the physical notebook, but it can be the apps in your handphone. For example, you can use Evernote or the other note that you can download from your Play Store. Why we need vocabulary notebook? Because not all the vocabulary that we memorize right now, it will be the same with what we have in our head tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, or next month. For example, right now, we memorize 10 vocabulary, but maybe next week we just remember 5 vocabulary, maybe. So the function of notebook here is being the tools to remind the vocabulary that we've ever learned before. Number 3. Apply the vocabulary that we memorize in the sentences. Minimal 3 sentences. For example, we memorize vocabulary go. We can apply it in our own 3 sentences. For example, 1. I go to the market. Number 2. I go to the hospital. Number 3. I go to the library. The function of applying the vocabularies that we memorize is that to create the impressions, then these impressions will help those vocabularies are saved in our long-term memory. Number 4. Read every English vocabularies that you get in your daily life. For example, in the package of instant noodles, if usually you just read the cooking instruction or the ingredients in Indonesian version, just try to read in English version. Or maybe if you go to the airport or the station, just read the English note or sentences that you find. Number 5. Change the setting of your headphone into English. In the first time you try this, maybe it will make you confused, but trust me, it's just about habit. Because handphone is the tools that we often use it. It will be new adjustment for us to operate in English version. Or the similar thing, when you go to the ATM machine, you can operate in English version. Number 6. Subscribe to English YouTube channel. Why we need to subscribe English YouTube channel? Because first, it is the cheapest learning tool to learn English. We just need to pay for the internet quota or Wi-Fi. Second, it is simple. We just handle the handphone, click the YouTube, and then we can enjoy it. Number 3 is efficient. Because if we go to the English course, we need the time to make a preparation, time to go to the English course, and then time to go home. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.